Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third sentence. I should go to college. Third or fourth, I must go to college. I must go to college. Then please write I may go to college. Then he may be going to college. Then next, he may have reached college. Then he may have been may have been studying for last 1 hour. Okay. I repeat once more. There are some similar sentences and some different ones. Similarity is just to establish the difference. I am to
Please
have
speak.
to go to
Please repeat.
college. First sentence, right? Second, I have to go to college. Third, I should go to college. And fourth, I must go to college. And fifth, I may go to college. Okay. I'm addressing to people who are Hindi speakers. They may like to translate these sentences. Now, non-Hindi speakers may wait for some time. I will come to them also. Uh, please translate first sentence. Anyone among you can tell me.
It doesn't make any sense, sir.
Yeah.
It has no sense.
First sentence.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me the first translation of first sentence. I am to go to college. Somebody tell me the translation of first sentence so that we can proceed. Don't go for correct or incorrect. Just tell me what you understand.
मैं कॉलेज जाता हूँ.
मैं कॉलेज जाता हूँ. Very good. I am to go to college
मैं
means
कॉलेज जा
मुझे कॉलेज जाना है.
Okay.
यस मुझे कॉलेज जाना है.
This is the correct one. Please write. मुझे कॉलेज जाना है. Very good. Please, all of you write, please. मुझे कॉलेज जाना है. Okay. First one is done. Let us try second one. I have to go to college.
मुझे कॉलेज
मुझे
जाना
कॉलेज
पड़ेगा।
जाना होगा।
पड़ेगा. You can write it. मुझे कॉलेज जाना ही है. Don't write futuristic. Write it present in present manner. Okay, it is because it is present tense. You know? मुझे कॉलेज जाना ही है. Okay, written.
Yes.
Third sentence.
मुझे कॉलेज जाना
मुझे
चाहिए।
कॉलेज जाना
मुझे
चाहिए।
कॉलेज जाना चाहिए।
मुझे कॉलेज जाना चाहिए. Okay, good. मुझे कॉलेज जाना चाहिए. Yes, I should go to college. Very good. Then next sentence.
मुझे कॉलेज जाना ही चाहिए।
मुझे कॉलेज जाना ही चाहिए. ये जरूर जाना चाहिए, है ना? अवश्य जाना चाहिए. अवश्य जाना चाहिए. Okay, is that clear? Am I audible?
यस सर।
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now my desktop is working, so I can share you the slides also. Hmm. So I think four sentences. I must go to college. मुझे कॉलेज जरूर जाना चाहिए. Agree? ठीक है. Please translate fifth sentence.
मैं कॉलेज जा सकता हूँ।
मैं कॉलेज जा सकती हूँ।
जा सकता. Very good. Okay. Now I'm addressing to Hindi medium, non-Hindi medium people who don't understand Hindi. We shall write something in bracket. Okay? कुछ लिखेंगे so that it will be clear for non-Hindi speakers also. You can write one more sentence on the top as some student had made a mistake. He said मैं college जाता हूँ. For him, let us include him also. I go to college. ठीक है? Somebody said my college. I am to go to college. He translated it like मैं college जाता हूँ. So, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Oh. So now we have six sentences. I will just give them some names. First sentence I am naming your first sentence as present. Can you tell me what is its tense? Present. Agree? This is the tense. Present.
Sir,
Indefinite. Ah,
shouldn't we say like that? I used to go to college for the first sentence.
okay. We shall write that also. Okay. Okay. So let us we have one more choice. Very good. I. What do you want to say, beta? No,
Used to go to college.
I used to go to college. Okay, we have one more variety. Okay. I think many of you are getting me what I want to say. Right? Just identifying the minute differences between these sentences. Okay. So first sentence is present and left. Simple. You know, which denotes your activity. You know, which you do it as a in regularity. Okay. Second sentence, I used to go to college. Can somebody tell me the difference between first sentence and second sentence now? I go to college and I used to
Sir,
go
it's
to college.
past of past.
So second sentence is of past or first.
Past or first? But what show makes it past? Where is the second form?
So second sentence means मैं कॉलेज जाता रहता हूँ.
हाँ, जाया करता हूँ means it tells me a habit, right? First tells me that what I usually do, but second tense the sentence shows a present. It is present indefinite, but it talks about habit. Okay, we can write it here in habit. Okay, though present indefinite tells habits also. Okay. Oh yeah, what is going on? We may write here. It shows habit. Okay. Third sentence. I'm to go to college. What is this? I give you two choices. Present indefinite plan or present indefinite compulsory plan. You have two sentences. I am to go to college and I have to go to college. Where I can write present indefinite compulsory plan. I am to go to college and I have to go to college.
Have to. Have to.
Where I can write present indefinite compulsory plan. The sentence number three or sentence has to or have to.
Have to.
Have to.
Please read the first full sentence. Okay. Okay. Here I write present indefinite compulsory plan. Right. Okay. So what can we write here in third sentence? How can we name third sentence? Somebody tell me. Yes, please. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
How can we write third sentence? Very good. Present plan. Okay. Okay. Now I have two choices: duty and compulsory duty. Okay. Present indefinite duty or present indefinite compulsory duty. Can you tell me where I can write compulsory duty? Very good.
Must.
Must.
Here we can write present indefinite. We can write here compulsory duty. Okay. And what can we write here in fifth sentence?
So duty.
Duty. We can write duty here. Present indefinite. Okay. It is past indefinite or present indefinite? Hmm? Present or past? There is no charges for speaking. Hmm.
So present.
So present.
Present. Is present. Okay. Now tell me what is the translation of seventh sentence?
मैं
So मैं
कॉलेज
कॉलेज जा सकता हूँ.
How? Please, will you name it? How can we name it? Present indefinite. हाँ. Make it name. कुछ भी कोई पैसा थोड़ी लग रहा है. बताओ. Make a name.
So optional.
optional duty.
Optional. Very good. ठीक है. तो very good. हम इसे ऐसे possibility कर देते. Okay. Possibility. Okay. Present indefinite. Possibility. Okay. Now, tell me what is tense of this sentence? Seventh sentence. I may be going to college. He may be going to
Future.
college.
Future.
Yeah.
Future.
Future.
Which tense is this? Future. Okay, we name it future.
Indefinite.
Future indefinite.
Sir, indefinite.
Huh?
Sir, future indefinite.
Future indefinite. Okay, but in future indefinite we are using going.
Sir,
What
continuous.
form? Continuous. So future continuous. Okay, we have one more choice. Somebody says future continuous. Any other choice? हम और सोच सकते हैं. Yes, yes. Make choice. See, make choice. Making choice means you are thinking a bit. Hmm? Okay, now I write a sentence, then you can easily understand. मैं एक और sentence लिखता हूँ, ठीक है? He is going to college. When I write the sentence, you may understand my purpose. He is going to college. I see. Okay, and he may be going to college. My expression is actually I guess. Tell me now what is the tense of sentence? He may be going to college. Is it future or present?
Present
Sir,
continuous.
present.
Which present? Indefinite or continuous?
Sir, continuous.
Continuous.
It is
Continuous.
yes, it is actually present. What can we name it? Please tell me name it. क्या नाम रखें इसका बच्चे का? We are present continuous. Now name it. Yes, yes.
Possible.
Sir,
Possibility.
possibility.
Very good.
Possibility.
Indefinite. Possibility. Very good. I'm not going to teach you structural grammar. आप आईटी के स्टूडेंट हैं तो आप ऑलरेडी लेक्सिकल स्ट्रक्चरल ग्रामर फिफ्थ सेमेस्टर में पढ़ेंगे. That is the duty of your teachers who will teach you structural grammar in fifth semester. But what my purpose is that you should know about the play of each and every word. This will not be taught in your IT. That is not syllabus of it. It is basically English. But have you heard the name of Noam Chomsky? किसी ने सुना है Noam Chomsky?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So IT student must
No,
be
sir.
listening to this name. Okay. In future, IT student must listen to this name. Okay. I tell you, Noam Chomsky is father of human machine language. जो language हम use पढ़ते हैं ना, I'm typing here, I go to college and you can read it. It is basically not written in this way. ये तो machine language में लिखा हुआ है. It is converted into human language. वो तो 0 1 0 नहीं पढ़ समझता है ना. Computer understand only one language. 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay. So Noam Chomsky is basically professor in English, but use whatever you see visibility of language on the screen, that is basically because of him. And he is less famous in computer means English word language word, more in computer word. He is most cited person. His papers cited are cited for 4 lakhs time. 4 lakhs time. My papers are cited for 700 times. Best topmost professor in NIT Rapport, his paper is cited for 8,000 times. You can understand my rank. My paper is cited for 700 times. Cited means somebody wrote my name when he's writing paper, he referred my idea. But Mr. Noam Chomsky is cited for 4 lakhs time. कोई touch ही नहीं कर सकता उस नाम को, इस level को. Okay? So he propounded this theory of, this is called structural grammar. I'm not going to teach you this also. I'm just going to let you be aware. But what you are speaking, how much how much conviction you have what you're speaking. Okay, so from today you should, whenever you are writing or writing some sentence, you should always see that what you are going to communicate, whether it is being communicated or not, or to be communicate ho raha hai. Okay, now tell me what is the tense of this sentence. He may have reached college.
Sir, past indefinite.
Past indefinite. Okay, so please tell me your name.
Sir, Pradeep Agrawal.
Pradeep, what tells you it is past indefinite? Which word? There are three
Sir,
words.
read.
See, may, have, and reached. There are three verbs. Okay, which tells you past indefinite?
Sir, reached.
Reached. Okay. The third verb helps you to make it past indefinite. Do you think it is so? Past indefinite is shown with third form or second form?
So second form.
So you think reached is second form? Pradeep? Do you think reached is second form? Yes, yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
You fit. Okay, you remain with this. Okay. Do any of you have objection that reached is not first form, not second form? Please come forward. Come forward. Do any of you think reached is not second form? Please come forward. It is very useful for you. It's going to make a good change in your language. Pradeep says it is present. Pradeep, please tell me what do you say? Present, it is past indefinite. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Pradeep. Okay, past indefinite. Now I for Pradeep I'm writing a sentence. I think then everybody can understand my intention. He has reached college. Pradeep, now tell me what is this tense?
So
It is
present perfect.
present perfect. Good. It's present perfect. Okay. Is present perfect. Now, Pradeep, I am addressing to everybody, but just naming Pradeep. He has reached college. What is the situation? I'm guessing or I see. It is a guess or a reality.
Real.
Sir, reality.
In reality.
So can we name it present perfect reality as a name like this? Ka? Let us name this thing present perfect reality. Okay. Now tell me how can we name next sentence? He may have reached college.
Present perfect
Present perfect guess.
possibility.
Present perfect possibility. See, Pradeep has tried his head. तो सबका फायदा हुआ ना तो ट्राई जरूर करना चाहिए ओके सो लेट अस मेक इट हम इसका नाम बनाते हैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट पॉसिबिलिटी कॉपी it is for me it is very easy because I'm copying pasting you are writing so maybe taking more time okay so now he may have reached college it is present perfect possibility it is not past indefinite Pradeep agree Pradeep now clear
Yes, sir.
so what is reached here now third form or second form
So it would be third form.
very good it must be third form what would be it must be third form right here what is reached it is second third form right so here also it is third form you have inserted only a word which shows possibility which is the word which shows possibility here
Sir,
Sir,
may.
may.
may very good may is the word which and it's a verb also it is first form it is a verb also it shows that it is a possibility we know that he has started in Hindi how will it say this sentence Pradeep Agrawal first this sentence how will it translate this sentence he has reached college
सर वो कॉलेज पहुंच चुका होगा.
first he has reached college reality one
नो सर, फर्स्ट मीन्स वो कॉलेज पहुंच चुका है.
पहुंच चुका है मींस यू कैन सी अपने पास कोई जैसे टेलीफोनिक इंफॉर्मेशन है कुछ पक्का है
Sir, वो
देख सकते हैं
यस सर.
and what is the translation of this sentence
सर वो कॉलेज पहुंच चुका होगा.
होगा but is it future or present
सर इट्स प्रेजेंट.
वेरी गुड बट इफ यू सी ऑन द प्राइमरी सिम्टम पहुंच चुका होगा तो लगता है फ्यूचर है क्योंकि है फ्यूचर नहीं इट इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट पॉसिबिलिटी एग्री ओके
यस सर.
okay
yes,
now
sir.
somebody now Pradeep I want one more participant here he may have been studying for last 1 hour can you tell me its tense
Present perfect continuous.
Present perfect continuous.
Present perfect continuous.
Okay, very good. What makes it present? Can you tell me which word? There are four verbs. One, two, three, and four. There are four verbs. Which makes it present?
Sir, studying.
No, 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 no. For present, there should be a first form. कोई first
Have.
form दिख रहा है?
Sir, have.
Very good.
Sir, have
This is
been.
this is first form. Have is first form. So it is present. Agree? Okay. Hmm? What makes it perfect?
Yes, sir.
What makes it perfect?
Sir, been.
Being.
Very
Been.
good.
Been.
Why? Because perfect is always shown through third form. Right? Agree? Yes or no? Okay. And what makes it continuous?
Studying.
Studying. So because that is the fourth form, right? So can we write something? हम सब लोग एक थोड़ा एक फॉर्मूला कहीं लिख लें क्या? एक फॉर्मूला लिख लेते हैं, ठीक है? चलो लिखते हैं. फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऐसे लिख लेते हैं ना फॉर्मूला. You engineers are fond of writing formula. तो हम लोग ऐसा करते हैं फर्स्ट फॉर्म इज इक्वल टू लिख देते हैं ना. इक्वल टू कहाँ होगा? यहाँ पे शिफ्ट नहीं बस शिफ्ट है ना. फर्स्ट फॉर्म इज प्रेजेंट. एग्री? ऑल ऑफ यू एग्री?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now write second form. Second form means what? Which tense? Tell me. Somebody tell me, otherwise I will not write. Second form. How the second form is shown? With which word? First form, second form, third form, fourth form, fifth form. Which word? Pradeep? How the past is shown?
So, present plus ed.
It means that is second form, no? Not
Yes,
third
sir.
form. So second form is past. Okay. Now write third form. What third form shows?
So,
Tell me.
past participle.
But what it shows in
Perfect.
tense, what it shows? It shows perfect. Agree? Have you understood? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
What is understood here? Second form or third form? Have you understood? What is this? Here understood is second form or third form?
So,
Third
third
form.
form.
Third form. Okay. Now fourth form. Fourth form. What shows fourth form? It shows continuity, right? Okay. What shows may? May क्या बताता है? It shows possibility. What shows must? Strong possibility. Strong possibility. Okay. This formula you can write in pocket. Let us go back to the slide. Everybody has written this formula. First form is present, second form is past, third form is perfect, fourth form is continuity. May means possibility, must means strong possibility, should means duty. Okay. Written? Yes or no? Written? Mansi Agrawal, have you written it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let us see these sentences once more. Now tell me what is its tense. He may have been studying for last 1 hour. How I name it? Reality or possibility?
Possibility.
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 So I think
Possibility.
we can make a sentence of reality also. यहाँ बना लेते हैं. क्या? What is the possibility? Reality sentence? You know? Can you tell me what is the reality sentence? Reality sentence क्या होगा?
So he have been studying for last 1 hour.
Very good. He have नहीं. अब वो he has हो जाएगा. Okay. Now he has been. Now got it? He has been studying for last 1 hour. What is its tense now? Tell me.
So present continuous perfect.
Present
Present
continuous.
perfect continuous.
हाँ नहीं हम लोग लड़ाई करते हैं. ये कौन बोला present perfect continuous? मानसी. Okay. And who said present perfect? Present continuous perfect? Pradeep.
Pradeep.
Yes.
Okay. हाँ लेकिन let us write both things. अपने papers में लिख लो अपना idea. Okay. So Pradeep says present continuous perfect. ऐसा बोला तुमने Pradeep? So tell me
So
what
present perfect continuous.
नहीं पहला वाला बोला. हम थोड़ा डिस्कस कर लेते हैं ना. ठीक है थोड़ा लड़ाई करते हैं डिस्कस होता है. Suppose you said present continuous क्या कहा तुमने? Present continuous perfect कह दिया तुमने. ठीक है. Okay. Suppose. So what is this? What it shows? Pradeep Agrawal.
So it shows past means perfection. It shows.
No बेटा. It is present. It is what is its
Present.
tense? इसका tense क्या है? इसका tense क्या है बेटा? ये first form है ना? What it
Yes, sir.
shows? Only present. It shows only present. Nothing to do with that. It shows only present. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is its first name? Present. Okay. Then what is this? Been. What is the form of been? Which form is this?
Third.
Perfect.
No. Form क्या है इसका?
Third.
Form.
वर्ब हुआ करता था. याद है आपको
The
स्कूल
third
में?
form.
Very good. First form be, second form was, and third form been, and fourth form been. I'm just writing for your reiterating for your school grade grammar to be. Okay. So this is first form, this is second form, and this is third form, and this is fourth form, and this is fifth form. Okay. Now I'm reiterating it just for school learning. Okay. Go back. Okay. Now tell me. So what is its name? इसका sequence क्या है? Present. Tell me now. Present. Then been means perfect.
Perfect
Studying means.
continuous.
So what is its name now?
Present perfect continuous.
Present perfect continuous.
Yes. Any otherwise is possible? नहीं possible है ना? We have to name it. Pradeep Agrawal marries नीतू गोयल in future. तो नीतू गोयल अपना नाम रखेगी नीतू गोयल अग्रवाल. आजकल फैशन है. पापा का नाम सरनेम नहीं छोड़ना है और अपने हस्बैंड का सरनेम ले लेना है. तो हम लोग प्रदीप की पॉसिबल वाइफ के बारे में गेस करते हैं. प्रदीप की वाइफ का नाम होगा नीतू. उसका नाम बनेगा नीतू अग्रवाल रहेगी. गोयल जोड़ लेगी पीछे. नहीं सॉरी नीतू गोयल रहेगी. अग्रवाल भी जोड़ लेगी. उसका नाम हो जाएगा नीतू गोयल अग्रवाल. ऐसा हो सकता है ना. आजकल करते हैं. ओके. सो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस पॉसिबिलिटी. नहीं प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस पॉसिबिलिटी परफेक्ट. आप प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का फॉर्म. व्हाट विल बी देयर? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट continuous. Okay. Is that clear now? Is that clear? Somebody say yes, I am.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes,
please
sir.
name the last sentence. Now please name the last sentence. See there here, the formula we have. May, what may shows? It shows
Possibility.
possibility. है ना? It shows
Possibility.
possibility. So let us go and name it. क्या नाम रखें इस बच्चे का? He may have been studying for last 1 hour. It is we are guessing or we can see this thing happening. Suppose I say this sentence, so I can see him
Guessing.
doing this thing, or I can guess him doing that. Guessing. So what shall we name this sentence?
Guessing, sir.
Guessing. So what can we name this sentence? Present perfect. Continuous possibility. Okay, so your computer needs to be taught. ऐसे कंप्यूटर को पढ़ाना पड़ता है, नहीं तभी ग्रामर बताता है ग्रामेटिकली रॉन्ग. वो ब्लू रेड लाइन बताता है ना, because your computer is programmed for such things. Okay, he may have been studying for last 1 hour. So you see that if you know this thing, okay, one more thing. I write one more sentence, then you see the magic. कुछ देखते हैं, ठीक है? Oh, he has been studying. He is going to college. Okay, I write one sentence here. You see the magic. मजेदार आ रही. What is its tense? Can you tell me what is its tense? मैंने बनाया नहीं था. He is going to college. What is its tense? Present.
Present
Continuous.
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 Reality लिखते हैं को present tense reality. Can we name it present continuous reality? Present
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
continuous. Actually today I did not make background कि मैं पढ़ा क्यों रहा ना, अचानक जंप कर गया तब लोग लग रहा क्या पढ़ा रहे सर. Don't worry, मैं I will come to the point and then you will understand my purpose. बस focus करते रहो मैं पढ़ा क्या, ठीक है? I did not explain because I was already late for college class, है ना? So he is going to college and now we frame a sentence. Present continuous reality है, copy करते हैं इसको and we name it he. Oh, already है ना, he may be going to college. Oh, it is already there. Okay, यहाँ नहीं करते इसको. Yeah. Now type here. He is going to college. इसको ऊपर यहाँ लाते हैं. He must is going to college. What is this? When continuous possibility or strong possibility? Or grammatically wrong? क्या हुआ? नाराज होगा sentence क्या? How can we name this sentence? Present continuous possibility तो था ही. He must is going to college. He is going to college as possibility, right? We inserted must here. What is this now? A strong possibility, a poor possibility.
Sir, strong possibility.
Strong possibility. He present perfect present continuous strong possibility. Okay. Strong possibility. But you know there are some rules. Must कहता है भाई मेरे साथ रहोगे ना तो तुम्हें ऐसे फर्स्ट अपने फिफ्थ फॉर्म में आना पड़ेगा.
B.
Must be. He must be going to college. So now you can understand the difference. He may be going to college and he must be going to college and he is going to college. If we call it with percentage, ऐसा करते हैं percentage करते हैं इसको, ठीक है? He must be going, he may be going to college. We have a 75%, we have 90% and 100%. Where we can put 75 and where we can put 90 and when we can where we can 100%. 100% possibility is not a possibility, that is reality, right? So tell me where I can put 75 and where I can put 95. You maybe
So
can
75 second one.
yes, very good. So here 75 is second. तो अब हम लोग समझ रहे हैं करना क्या जाना, ठीक है? This is 75% कहाँ पे है? Oh, percent. Okay, and here it is
Thank you.
95%, but not 100%, right? है ना? बात ही नहीं रहेगी ना फिर तो रियलिटी हो जाएगा. तो 100% कहाँ रखते हैं? Where can you put 100%? Can you put here?
He's going to college.
Is going. We can see that 100% possible. अभी 100% possibility means reality होता है वो, ठीक है? Okay. Now tell me, he has reached college. What is this? Present perfect reality. Okay. He may have reached college. What is this present perfect possibility? Now tell me, what can do you have any other option? कुछ और variety बना सकते हैं यहाँ पे? Can we make a variety here?
He must have reached college.
Very good. We can make a variety here. He must have reached college. And what shall be the name of the sentence? He
must. What shall we name it? Present perfect?
Present perfect reality.
Possibility.
Which is strong possibility, right?
Strong
Yeah.
possibility.
Strong possibility. Okay. He must have reached college. Present perfect. Strong possibility. Now we can put them percentage with percentage. Where will we put 95?
Must.
Must have
Must.
reached college.
Strong possibility. Very good. Possibility. Then 75%. Where 75%?
May have reached college.
May have reached college. And where we can put 100%?
Has reached.
Has reached. Okay. So how many of you think this? Okay, one more. Here we have. He has been studying for last 1 hour. What is this? Present perfect. Present perfect continuous. Can we have a choice? One more variety here. क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग? He may have reached. Can we make it? एक और choice है हमारे पास. What is that?
Have been
Must
studying.
have. He must be. है ना? He must reached. He must have been studying. है ना? He must. He must have been studying for last 1 hour. Present perfect continuous. Strong possibility. So now I think you can understand my purpose. What I wanted to tell you. That with is it useful? Some of you find it useful. This practice is useful. Is it adding something to your present knowledge, or strengthening your old knowledge? What is it doing? You had always been writing these sentences or not? लिखते रहे sentences. But today what has happened? If you find some change, explain me. Explain. Explanation is the art of your job of your communication skills. That is the primary purpose. Please explain. Somebody explain me what is the addition today. What is the new vision today? If he's had added something to your present knowledge. Aman, roll over 15. Please tell me what is added today. Aman Singh.
Yes, sir.
What is the addition today? Which जुड़ा क्या आज? Was this class useful for you and how it was useful for you?
Yes, sir. Useful.
How? Please tell me. Please tell me. Try to speak something. Any problem in speaking, Aman?
No, sir.
Just tell me. Explain it.
सर कुछ
What is
नॉलेज
it?
मिला सर.
What?
सर अबाउट पॉसिबिलिटी एंड रियलिटी मतलब मैं है मस्ट है ये आज पता चला, उसे पता नहीं था.
Please speak in English, please. Yeah, I agree with you. Communication skills is nothing to do with English, but because I'm medium, my focus is to improve your English also, because at present it is required for the demand of the market. Aman, please explain these things in English. Okay. Mansi Agrawal, please explain that. Aman, please listen to Mansi. Mansi, please explain me what is the addition today? आज क्या जुड़ा? How much you have done? 5%, 10%. How much you have added some to your present knowledge? Identifying the difference is actually a skill. Yeah.
Sir, it strengthened our present knowledge. It enabled us to use it better way.
Hmm, hmm. It enables you to use it better way. Okay. You had always already been using it, but now you're confident.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, Pradeep, would you like to add something there?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, I learned that although the tense being the same, but there are different meanings by just adding a single letter.
Single word, we can adding single word, it can make different
Ah,
meaning,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir. Single word.
Okay, okay. That is your learning. Aman, please note down these things. Sharansh, what do you think? What is your opinion about this? What is the addition today? Mhm. But you are using this sentence. You are sure, you are not sure about it, right? It what it has added? It has your added surety. You can say authenticity now. You can say you can write it. It has added authenticity in my present knowledge. You like look. Please, Aman, you can write. Saransh, what Saransh is saying, I'm giving it shape. It has added authenticity in my present knowledge, right? No. Pradeep says it has adding some one word can make variety in my present knowledge. It is the opinion of Pradeep. Adding one single word can add variety in my present knowledge. Aman Singh, यही कहलाता है explanation. Please write such thing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Avyut, what do you think? Can you add something? Avyut, rule number 23.
Yes, sir.
What do you think? What this practice we are doing for last half an hour? What this practice has added to your present knowledge?
It obviously improved the language.
Hmm?
It improved my language.
It improved your language. How it has improved your language? What yeah, that is improvement, but can you classify the what type of improvement?
How to
Classify
use tenses correctly.
how to use tenses correctly. Mean it has strengthened your knowledge of tense, right? It has see naming some sentence, naming some feeling is very important for communication skills. Avik, do you speak Hindi?
Little bit, sir.
Okay, I think somebody who understands Hindi, I will tell a phrase. गूंगे के मुंह का गुड़, राइट? एक गूंगा आदमी था, उसे हमने गुड़ खिलाया, तो बता नहीं सकता ना कितना मीठा कैसा मीठा, राइट? So that expression means if you are eating jaggery, you should be capable of explaining the taste, right? So this is very necessary. That Avik, you want to say? I think it has strengthened your command, your knowledge over tense. Avik, you can write this thing.
Yes, sir.
This class, this discussion has strengthened my command over tense. Now I know more variety. Okay, as Saras was saying authentication, Pradeep was saying variety, so you are saying strengthening, right? Okay. Now somebody, Prerna Singh, please tell me what is your output, what is your reaction? Prerna, roll number 72.
So we were using these words and sentences frequently in our communication, but we were not very aware of their appropriate uses in our communication. But after this class, we have learned more about the usage of those words in our communication and the importance of tenses.
Very good, Prerna. So I would like every of you write 100 words, only 100 words, only 10, 15 sentences. That what it has added, as Subsi Pranav has spoken a bit more and more transparent and with simple words, right? It has she had added a very transparent thing that she had been using, and but that had not added surety. But after this class, things are now transparent, now clear. So I expect all of you to write just 100 words about this class, okay? About this single slide. इसका example देंगे हम. इसी 100%, 25%, 90% क्या मतलब है इसका? And it has two sections. Section 1 from sentence number 1 to 7, and section 2 there are three sets of sentences, right? Here also you see that I go to college, I used to go to college, I am to go to college, I have to go to college, I should go college, I must go to college, and I may go to college. It has also added variety. You had already been using it this or that time, but I think now it may be adding some strength to your present knowledge. Okay, so how many of you think that now there is a time? I think I referred you about some grammatical errors. Grammatical errors means grammar in response of situation. Grammar in response of situation. So for that, I just write a pair of sentence, and then you can understand what I mean to say. Okay, I write a pair of sentence for you. Okay, you can also write with me. The manager and owner of the factory is coming. Second, the manager and of the factory are coming. Now tell me which sentence is correct. Prerna.
Sir, both.
Sir, both are correct.
Both are
Both are
correct.
correct.
Very good.
Both are
Both are
correct.
correct. When both are correct, they need different situation, or they need in same situation they are both are correct.
A different situation.
Different situation.
The different
Here,
situation.
here the manager and the owner is the same person. Okay, right? Here it is same person. You can write in bracket same person. In that case, it is correct. And here both are they are different people. Different person. But suppose it is otherwise, different person in first case and same person in second case, then it will be wrong. Okay, okay. Now write I write a spelling. Professor. Is it correct? Is it correct spelling?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So which one is correct?
Second.
Second one.
One.
Okay. Now I write here. Now tell me which one is correct. Both are correct. Somebody please go to Google and type this soy professor. The same thing. SOYPROFESOR. Soy professor. Please type this thing. Somebody go in Google and please type this thing and tell me.
It's in Spanish.
Very good. And what is it? Is it correct there? Spelling is correct in Spanish?
Yes, sir.
Means the moment we add soy, it becomes correct. Now suppose Prerna wants to write. This is a statement about Prerna. हम इसे लिख देते हैं प्रेरणा बोलती Prerna after 5 years chooses to become a teacher, women teacher. So Prerna. Is it correct now? Now I write another spelling. Now tell me which one is correct for Prerna. First or second? Or both? Please go in Google and check me. Tell me which one is correct for Prerna and which one is correct for Anup. Yeah, please go. Tell me. Somebody who had checked on Google, please check which one is correct for Prerna. Okay, not wasting much time. I tell you, Swaya
Second
Professor
one.
is correct. Second one is correct for Prerna because Prerna is a female, right? Okay, is that your finding? Hmm? This is for correct for Prerna because Prerna is a female, and this is correct for Anup because Anup is a male. So, what is the learning? That you can find something correct or incorrect when when you know the reference. Okay, is there any boy whose surname is Shukla in the class? You know, any boys there whose surname is Shukla? I write a name here. The question is for all North Indians. Mang Shukla. Is it correct? Is it correct? Boys and girls from UP, please tell me. Is it correct? Rakesh Mishra, is it correct? Mang Shukla.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I write another thing and tell me which one is correct. Now tell me which one is correct. Both are correct.
Both are correct, sir.
Yes, because for female we use Shukla and for male we use Shukla. So
Yes, sir.
what I mean to say that to identify the things correct, you need to know the correct. You need to know the correct. That was my intention of this class. That you may commit mistakes at any point of time, anywhere. Possibility hai har jagah. So I am recommending you a book. Uh, did you like this particular slide? This is explanative or difficult?
Explanating.
This is explanative. So there is a book which talks to you in the same manner. I recommend all of you to buy this book. It's for 110 rupees or 20 rupees only. Intermediate English Grammar. I'm writing the title of the book. English. Okay. The publication is Cambridge University Press. Be very careful. Cambridge University Press writes this book in uh, two formats.